Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this grocery store haul. I picked up some noodles. I have some Tina burritos. I think they were like $14 or $12.99. Some juice, some Tony's pizza, some turkey breakfast sausage, some raisins, and I also end up picking up some muffin mix, chocolate and blueberry. No, that's not blueberry, banana. I have some lunch meat, some Nor rice. I have some self-rising flour, some sugar, some raisin bread, and some rolls and some wheat bread. So this is a weekly budget haul. We end up spending $100, $167 to be correct. Okay, so that was so affordable. This is just a budget weekly haul, and I do have some more items that I picked up. I just want to share with you what the price was looking like. And yeah, this is Food for Less, Kroger, same thing. Okay, so I picked up a turkey roll. We end up grabbing some chicken breasts and some brown sugar, some turkey bacon, and some sway fish. They did have beef bacon in there. I wish I would have grabbed it because I did want to try it. So, and I think I picked up some rice too there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these rolls up, the turkey roll up, into 3 sections and put it in the freezer and make meals around them, because that's just what I do. I try to shop with meals in mind. So I have some muffin mix by Jiffy, some cream of wheat, some oatmeal, some pancake mix, and there are the eggs. Only got a dozen this time around. So, and then that's the little Debbie nutty buddies. Okay, if I could get that out. So yes, I am still using the same storage system for the cabinets, and yeah, so that is what's still working, and I'm just trying to keep everything organized, so just ready to pull, grab and go and start to cook. Okay, so I also end up picking up some potatoes, some grapes, some bananas, and some oranges.
Like two out the door, then you have magic.
Now that the breakfast is all together, look, these are the racks that I purchased from Ross, and my cabinets, our cabinets are still in the raw state. No, they have not been painted yet. That is in the works. Time just hasn't permitted itself, busy schedule and all of that. Okay, so but I do want to stay organized, and I do want to come up with a system, and so far that works. I have that one that I thought I was going to be using, and I was like, That's the Dollar Tree one. It does work. So if you have like saucers or maybe just lids from your pots, it will work too as well. So I just wanted something stronger, and I just so happened to be in Ross that day and I found those, and I know that they sell them maybe like on Amazon or whatever, but I just so happened to have those and they work, and that is the system that's pretty much going to work for me. And you will see that on the next clip that, hey, it looks like it's gonna work, and I know for sure, and so far it's, you know, it's working. This is what it looks like here. This is the company. Okay, now I was gonna go on Amazon and get one, but I thought that, hey, I went ahead and went in here and look at the price. Okay, it says comparable. Okay, so I got 3 of them for, okay, that price there. So I'm going to share with you what the pans, you know, how I organize it afterwards. So far so good. As you can see, that all of the pans and all of the lids are in its proper place. All I have to do is go under the cabinet, pull out what I need, and voila, it is there. It's organized, and 10 out of 10. I so love it.
As far as storage, plastic containers down yonder, okay? You know, pots and pans over here.
I don't know if you can see how dusty these get, but I'm gonna show you how and what I use. I've done this before, but someone had asked me, what do I do to get these clean? So I'm just gonna share with you really quick. Now you see that the shine that it picked up? Yes. So if you like your items shiny, then this is what you will be using. Well, what I'll be using, because everyone has their own preference, but it's just what I use. And so I'm just going to show you a small demonstration here. Okay, I'm just going to go over like this, not too much, and then I'm just going to like polish it. Okay, so you can already see the clean that it gives. Okay, so that was just something real quick to share with you. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna share with you, just show you how. So see the smudginess over there? And look at that part right there. And that didn't even take me, what, 30 seconds? And then you can just come back over it like and dry it. So that is what I use, okay? You can go to Dollar Tree. This is, I want to say the yellow one. I mean, the green one worked too. But yeah, that's just how it cleans. Alrighty then. Well, most definitely a sale is going on. Yes. Inside of these bags, let me just go ahead and open it up. They're on sale right now. Everything is insulated, and this is going to be just perfect for my size here. Okay. These were, I believe, on sale for $362 or something like that, I was told. Now, but if you do go to the website, okay, and what's down in this bag, and voila, look at this. I think this one was $3.99, so you cannot beat that. I know, you know, the season is now. Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and these items were ordered and they were given to me, so thank you so very much. And yes, go over there and check it out. Now, no, I don't have any links because this portion is not sponsored by the company, but I'm just saying, if you're looking for a sale, and that's what I like to do over here, and you know, these items were on sale, and a family member, okay, my mother, they went ahead and ordered this. So I'm a sale type of person, and I like to get things on sale, and then this is a great deal. So if you're out shopping, or if you do online shopping, then this may be something that you may want to take advantage of. Okay, so look at that. It's in an insulated bag. I'm going to put these things away, and of course they're just going to be ready when time comes. Okay, so yeah. All right, beautiful people, I'm going to get on out of here. If there is a video that relates to this video, of course it's going to show up at the end screen. It's going to be down in the description box, or it's going to show up in the cards. Okay, so I hope I said that correctly. Like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.